So ETS recently announced that students can take GRE test from home. So if you are a candidate, that this video is must for you. We are going to discuss these few points in this video, that few facts about this initiative, why ETS has decided to do this, how long this facility will be available to the students, what is the difference between this home test as compared to the regular GRE test, also what are the rescheduling charges, how the rescheduling will be conducted, also what are the document verification procedures, because document verification procedure is very important when it comes to offline GRE examination. So how it is going to be conducted when you are sitting at home. Once you give your examination, how your scores card will be delivered to you, what are the new updates on it. So stay tuned and let's get started. So let's get started with the facts. First of all, this test is going to be conducted by a remote proctor, and they will be monitoring you on your live webcam. So you must have a computer or a laptop to give this examination from your home. So you have to keep it open because there will be a person remotely monitoring you on the live session, on the live examination. Also, they will be using some sort of artificial intelligence technology by ProctorU, which is a software. Also, this facility is available for the entire world, especially specifically those countries where the offline or the online GRE tests were used to be conducted priorly. Also, there are only I guess two countries, I guess China or Iran. Their offline centers are going to reopen, so this facility is not available in these particular countries. So moving ahead about why they have decided to do this. The first thing is very common answer, which is global health crisis. Due to the pandemic, people are not going to go to the centers, and the admission process was supposed to get very much hampered, and it was a big concern for the students as well as for the very renowned colleges. So that's why they have decided to do this, and also it is a convenient, flexible, and right now it is the safest option for conducting the GRE test. Next, how long this facility will be available for the students to get. So the answer is the GRE general test is at home is expected to be available until test centers reopen and the situation returns to normality, which means there is no such deadline that ETS themselves don't know how long this is going to stretch. But the vaccine has been created by Russian government recently, so maybe we can expect that in 2021, in the first month or the first quarter, everything will be back to normal, and this facility will be discarded. Next one is differences with respect to the regular general test. How it is different from a regular general test that you give for GRE examination. The first thing is, first big answer is no. There is no such difference. Everything is same. Just that you will be sitting at your home instead of your test center. There will be the content is identical. Format is totally same. On-screen experience which you used to get on the GRE examination test is totally same. Also, the scoring weightage and the scoring methodology will be same. There will be no deviation. The next one is the same preparation material. The preparation material is also same. There is no deviation. You can use this single one platform, which is achievable.me, which is a live, I would say, remotely studying platform for GRE examinations. Particularly, it is a very renowned platform for you in US. It's been a secret to many successful candidates in the US continent, and they have now come to India. So you should definitely go for it. Let me tell you a little bit about them, why they are really good, and they have outranked many famous platforms. So here is it. One platform, number one resource for the GRE preparation. It has outranked all the traditional resources as of now. I'll tell you why. Okay, trust me, I have spoken to people who has used this platform. I have got honest reviews, and it actually worked for many of them, and it worked really well. Okay, so that's why, as you can see here, I have bought the platform because I also liked it, and it's been a while that I'm using it. And trust me, I really feel like I should go out and make this video and let others as know about this new way of training yourself. And especially this platform gives you a really good freedom of studying anywhere and everywhere you want, that I'm going to cover soon. So first of all, why do I think that it's a good platform? First one is accurately represents the difficulty of the test. Okay, it does not undervalue or undermine or overmine the difficulty level of the GRE. Every year they change their content based on how the trends are going on and what is going to happen, and their predictions are based on the expert advices. It's not a speculation. They do it really nicely. So material is written to teach you how to beat the test. Okay, so it is not about teaching you the mathematical skills or English language to you for those sections. It is about how GRE is going to conduct the question, question paper, how GRE is going to form the questions, and how a student should approach it, and make sure that you don't miss out on, and you get the best answers and the perfect answers. So that was the main motto behind preparing the entire syllabus for Achievable Me. It actually also, the good thing about it is it accurately weighs all the sections properly. Every year, we cannot take it granted that every concept, every chapter, every section will have an equal weightage. So the next one is, I would say there are no hard copies, but that's the main key. You don't have to carry your all the heavy books now. You can just use your mobile phone. As I told you already that this platform is highly responsive and very well built for mobile users as well. If you go there, you will not face even a 5% of difficulty to study on your mobile phone. I would say in my case, I study it most of the times. I study it through my mobile phone because I cannot take my computer all the time on my laptop, or I cannot keep it on. So it's better that whenever I want, if I'm in a mood to study, I just start my mobile phone and I just start studying. They have a really high success rate. People have used it. They use a memory training and tracking technique, which I'm going to show you, which has resulted in really good high success rate. People get number of marks what they always wanted to. They keep a target, and that's how they achieve it. So that shows the high successful rate. Also, you can get a free sign up which is there on the website. Just go there, look around the dashboard. It's totally free to sign up. Use my link in the description below. Also, you'll get 20% up to 20% discount if you make any purchases. So do it right away. So moving ahead from the achievement, the next point is rescheduling. How the rescheduling is to be done on this particular test that we are going to be at home. So why do we need a rescheduling? And there could be some possibilities that your test date may get postponed by ETS itself, or maybe you want your test to be postponed. So ETS has temporarily decided to waive off all the rescheduling fees for all the test takers. So previously, it used to be some cost related to that, but now you can do it for free. You can opt for rescheduling as many times as possible. And next is document verification. So document verification is very important aspect of this particular examination. Previously, it used to be the important aspect of going to the offline center. I would say to going to a particular GRE center to take a test, because they used to very carefully verify your documents, and there were so many restrictions about it. Now that you are at home, the live proctor will take all the image and all the data in your document through an image, and they will try to check it with the facial recognition system. So your face on the webcam will be tried to match with the documents that you have provided. So that's how they are going to cross check all the details, and the person that is going to appear for the examination is the same one that is shown in the documents. Yeah, so the next one is core reports. First thing that they have recommended is do not rely on the physical report cards. There is no such guarantee that you will get report cards in these particular days. So you should go for and sign up for ETS Data Manager, get there enrolled. If you have given JRE examination in the previous 5 years, your data will be available over there. Get your e-cards as soon as possible, because do not rely on physical report cards. They are going to be get really delayed. So I hope you have liked this video. It's kind of very informative. You must have got to know about the total idea behind this new initiative by ATS. And if you have any questions, or if you have any opinion, or if you want us to give you another video regarding any of the GRE topics, just let me know in the comment box below. Also, do follow our channel and follow me on all the other social media accounts. Thank you so much.